BlueSpecs Beer Reviews, happy 4th to you all. Going to be reviewing another Michelada type tomato beer. This is Tecate Michelada Diablo. Never had any anything like this from Tecate. I've only had the Tecate and the Tecate Light. This beer gets an 82 on Beer Advocate, so much more highly rated than the Modelo Michelada, but this is a little bit different because it has a spice element to it, and I do like that. So this is 3.5% alcohol by volume. Very excited to try this. I like these tomato beers like just every once in a while, so I'm gonna be taking a look at this. So this one I've never had before, so let's go ahead and pour it. Part of me is wondering maybe I should have rolled it a little better than I did, but I don't know. It looks like it has a reddish tint, but it looks kind of just like beer. Okay. Yeah, it's a little lighter than than a lot of your other Micheladas. It does have like a pinkish sort of thing happening. The head dissipates immediately. It's like an orangish kind of red or pink to it. And the smell is almost non-existent because it has a little bit of tomato and beer smell, but it's really bad. A tiny bit of spice too, but it's very, very subtle. So let's go ahead and give this beer a try. Interesting. Not like what I was expecting. Really good though. Like, a lot of these are very tomato heavy. Like, they're more tomato forward than they are beer forward. Like, just like there's more tomato in these things. As these things go, there's more of a tomato and whatever else there than there's beer. But this is almost equal here. Just fantastic, really. I would definitely buy this again. So you get your Tecate beer, which is really, really, really great beer. I do love my Tecate on occasion. So you get the beer on one half, and then you have a bit of tomato, a bit of lime, a bit of saltiness, and a bit in the spice. There's not really any heat there. Diablo, I think, is just referring to the fact that there's spice to it, not to the fact that it's hot. I would like to try like one of these that actually do have a heat to them, but this one doesn't. Like, it's kind of like makes me think of, like, when I'm thinking about hot beers, I think about Ghostface Killa, which is really, really hot, really spicy. But this has like a bit of spice, bit of tomato, bit of salt, and then the beer, so it's very equal. With most of these things are not equal. It's mostly tomato then beer. This is really good. Let's see why it gets better ratings than some of these other ones. Fantastic. I think this beer creation. I think this beer definitely is an A plus. Not quite the outstanding. I think it is just really is a good beer when it comes to the tomato, Michelada or Chelada type things. Let me know what you think of the Tecate Diablo Michelada and what you think about it. I definitely love it. Thank you for watching this video production.